This is our new tropical look garden that's just about a year old. This is an Ensete Morellii. We bought it last year, overwintered it, and planted it out in a barrel we bought for about 30 quid from eBay. This is our fig, and if you look closely you'll see we've got some little figs just coming up there. The swing seat on the patio looks down the stream into our pond. Now there's a separate video that we've done about making the pond, which you might find interesting, and how we made the stream. The red flower on the end is a canna, and cannas will actually tolerate sitting in shallow water. These red cannas sit on an old top box from a trailer, just to give them an extra bit of height. We've got an alocasia there with a big leaf, and the anthurium with the red flower. This is the view from the jungle hut we've got at the bottom of the garden. And you can see there's another one of the house plants, a cheese plant there, a monstera. You can see our tree fern there on the left, and the pink sedum, spectravalis. The yellow flower is a calla lily, and the sun's out here. Now these few ornaments we got from some charity shops, just a couple of quid each, and just got to set it off. That's some Spanish moss there hanging up. This big leaf chap is a ricinus, very poisonous, so wear gloves when handling, especially the seeds. There's some amaranthus there, the red trailing flower, and a few dahlias. Just gives it a bit of colour. There's my second Ensete banana there. That's the one we stored over winter, and he didn't do so well. The one in the barrel we just kept as a house plant, and he did considerably better when put in the ground. There's some more cannas. Now this here is a tigridia flower, very interesting. They come out in the morning and close up at night, but we've got this yellow one, and we've also got a red one. Just to the left of the spiky cordyline at the back there is our Fatsia polycarpa. This here is a bottle brush plant. It's a red flower early on. Here he is, the polycarpa there. He's doing quite well. He quite likes it down there. They don't like it in the sun. He likes it a bit shady. To the left here, the big plant left of the banana is Euphorbia mellifera. This is a very shady area of the garden. We've got spider's web there, just went past the fancy spider's web variegated. This is Spanish flag. It's quite a dark area, so he hasn't done too well. Got a brunnerer there and a big rheum, which will get very big. This is a piece of mahonia, and underneath it we've got this Fargesium, which the slugs particularly like. But at least they've laid off the hosta for now. The Missa Pastu banana behind me there is only just over a year old. Incredible growth. You can almost watch the leaves coming out day after day. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed the video, please click on the subscribe button to give me a bit of encouragement to make the next one. Okay, bye for now.